Welcome to the top best. The best folding step stool is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have around the house. Whether you're changing a light bulb, reaching for items on a high shelf, or tackling a DIY project, a reliable step stool is a must-have. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 4-step ladder folding step stools, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Delxo 2-step ladder. This Delxo 2-step ladder folds down to a remarkably compact size. It shrinks by 90% when folded, making it easy to store in tight spaces like closets or garages. Weighing only 9.1 pounds, this ladder is incredibly easy to move around. Its lightweight design makes it convenient to transport and carry wherever you need it. Safety is a priority with this ladder. It features oversized, non-slip steps and 4 non-slip feet to provide extra grip and stability, preventing slips and falls. No assembly is required, you can use it right away. It's perfect for various tasks around the house, in the kitchen, office, or any place you need a little extra height. This Delxo step ladder comes with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or issues, their customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like? This step ladder shrinks down by 90% when folded, making it perfect for small spaces. It's also incredibly light, making it easy to move around. If you are looking for a ladder that's easy to store and transport, this is the one for you. What people say. The 4th step makes a huge difference, tall enough for changing bulbs in high fixtures, but still stable enough that I never feel wobbly, even when I'm fully extended. The build is sturdy, and the non-slip steps are a big plus for safety and confidence when climbing. Wanted a kitchen stool that could bear weight and be solid on the floor. With the legs extending outwards, this product is stable. Number 4. Wiberwi 4-step ladder with handrails. Need a little extra height? This ladder is perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, office, or garage. It makes it easier to get any job done, from reaching high cabinets to changing light bulbs. With a heavy-duty steel frame, it can withstand up to 500 pounds. Wide pedals, a sturdy frame, and anti-skid feet provide safety and support. There's also a safety lock to ensure it's securely in place. The long, padded handrails on both sides offer a comfortable grip. Non-marring legs protect your floors from scratches, adding to its safety features. You'll feel more confident using it. When not in use, it folds up easily for storage. You can store it against a wall, in a closet, or even under your bed. It's easy to fold, just release the safety lock and lift the top pedal. It comes with an attachable tool bag to hold your essentials. Keep your screwdrivers, pliers, and even a bottled beverage within reach. It adds convenience to any task. What we like? This ladder boasts a heavy-duty steel frame that can handle a lot of weight. It also comes with a handy tool pouch to keep your supplies close. If you need a sturdy and safe ladder for various tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy to assemble, very sturdy. Easy storage. It has a removable case to hold supplies while I work, or I can remove the canvas case and just use it as a handle for more support. It also has 2 safety rails to help me as I climb up and down, as well as a little more support if I lean left or right. The grips on the steps are wide for added safety. The steps are firm and deep, no need to hang your heels off the step. The 4-step version I bought gets me as high as I need to go with a solid top handrail to keep a grip on once I'm up there. The side handrails are nice but not as important to me as the top rail. However, they do add another level of safety, and that's not a bad thing. It comes with a tool bag, or pouch, that slips over the top rail and is very handy for keeping stuff at your fingertips so trips up and down the ladder are kept to a minimum. The steps are heavy-gauge metal with rubber step surface. Number 3. Delxo 4-step folding ladder with handrail. Introducing the Delxo 4-step ladder, designed with your safety in mind. This sturdy ladder meets and exceeds all safety standards, ensuring a secure experience for you. Built with high-strength steel, this ladder can support up to 350 pounds. The reinforced frame and safety lock provide exceptional stability, giving you peace of mind while you work. The wide pedals feature a non-slip rubber texture, and the feet protect your floors. The handrails offer added comfort and security, making it easy to climb. This lightweight ladder folds up easily for convenient storage. It weighs only 18.5 pounds and can be easily transported with one hand, perfect for any home. Ideal for various tasks around the house, from the kitchen to the office. It's perfect for cleaning, painting, or reaching high places. It can even be used as a step for your pets. With your purchase, you'll receive the Delxo Folding Step Ladder, outstanding customer service, a full money-back guarantee, and a 1-year warranty. Our 24-hour customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like? This step stool is built with a reinforced steel frame and a safety lock, ensuring stability while you work. It also features a wide, anti-slip pedal and comfortable handrails. If you value safety and stability, especially when working at heights, this ladder is a great option. What people say. It is rated up to 330 pounds, and even when I or my wife stand on the top, it still doesn't wobble at all. I needed this ladder to caulk around some wood trim in the ceiling and repaint it. I was surprised it was pretty heavy duty, which is safer for an older person. It is narrow enough to sit in the shower or bathtub and tall enough for me to reach the light fixtures. I also love that the treads are large and wide. Number 2. Best choice 4-step steel ladder with handrail. This 4-step ladder offers ample height for all your household tasks. Anti-slip feet and offset legs help you maintain balance while you work. The solid steel frame with an anti-corrosion coating can handle up to 330 pounds. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. The lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to move around. A durable locking mechanism ensures easy setup and storage. Whether you're cleaning, decorating, or doing outdoor chores, this ladder is a great choice. It's designed to make your tasks easier. The rugged surfaces on the steps provide extra grip. The wide step platforms accommodate your feet and tools, making your work more comfortable. What we like? This ladder features a solid steel frame with an anti-corrosion coating, ensuring durability. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to set up and store. If you need a ladder that's both strong and easy to manage, this is a great pick. What people say. Great size. I am 5'2" and was able to reach the ceiling walls to finish painting, which are about 9 feet tall. I was able to reach high places and carry the stool around. Doesn't wobble and feels sturdy, and the weight feels like it will hold up great. Easily folds away. Definitely recommend. It is attractive, super easy to open and close, and folds into a streamlined shape that doesn't take much space. Recommend. Needed an indoor step ladder with more than 2 steps, like my old one was, to reach higher light fixtures in the house. This particular one caught my attention due to being lightweight and easy to store when not in use. It appears quite sturdy, max weight 330 pounds, and I like the fact that the steps themselves are wider, allowing better support when using it. Number 1. ACSTEP 2-Step Folding Step Stool. This step stool has been approved by TÜV with GS certificate, ensuring its quality and your safety. You can trust this product for its reliability and durability. The stool is fully assembled and ready to use. When open, it measures 17.5 inches high. When folded, it becomes incredibly compact for easy storage. Designed with a large non-slip platform and rubber feet, this ladder provides excellent stability. It prevents the ladder from moving and protects your floors from scratches. This stool is lightweight, weighing only 6.8 pounds, yet can hold up to 330 pounds. It folds up easily, making it convenient to carry, store, and transport for use anywhere in your home. Use it indoors or outdoors, in the kitchen, or anywhere you need a little extra height. It's the perfect solution for various tasks around the house. We offer 24-hour customer service. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us anytime. We are here to help. What we like? This step stool is TÜV certified, ensuring quality and safety. It's also lightweight and folds up for easy storage. If you need a reliable and portable step stool, this is a great choice. What people say. At 5 feet 2 inches in a house full of cathedral ceilings with storage built all the way up, I needed the most ladder height could find, while still being able to store it. I love this ladder. It is super stable, a breeze to fold up and lightweight to carry around to store. It is lightweight and very functional to move around to get the job done both indoors and outdoors. It's small, it's sturdy, it's lightweight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.